Good morning.
It is bright and sunny on our final day in South Dakota, and we plan to make the most of it. We are starting off with an extremely hearty breakfast because we have yet to really do so this trip, and afterwards we will hastily pick up camp and knock out some of the tourist traps before heading deep into the Black Hills National Forest in search of the best campsite that South Dakota has to offer.
Again, I would like it to do some.
You're not using it right, see? That's how you use a knife.
Yeah, just when you go.
No, I don't want to add them all because if I do a second batch, I don't want to cut more.
Okay, good.
Last night, we ended up sharing our campsite with some other extremely kind overlanders, and in the morning, they offered to give us a walk around of their rugged and well-built adventure vehicle. After exchanging some camping tips and tricks, they gave us directions to one of the best campsites that they had ever used. After we break camp, our plan is to see if we can find the location and claim it before continuing on for the rest of our day. This road is actually a lot more rough than we were expecting, so I'm gonna air down at least 5 pounds or so because we are getting rocked all over the place and these tires are pretty old. They're almost shot. It's probably their last expedition, so we're definitely gonna air down just to avoid popping or try to make it more comfortable for us too.
You're not going to be able to use any of that footage you just took.
Really?
Backwards.
Was it all you?
Yeah.
Damn it.
It was directly, I was making faces and it was pointed directly at me.
We tried to find a campsite that our new friends at our previous campsite gave us, but I think we either got coordinates changed or the road changed the wrong one, but unfortunately we can't find it.
What's the other bit right there?
And I think that was it right there.
I don't know.
I don't know how we would get up there.
Yeah. He had a bigger truck than us, so it would have to be accessible.
Yeah. Or maybe we just quit too soon. But unfortunately, we're just gonna go with our original plan. I have 4 more campsites staked out that we're also gonna try later today, but we're also gonna go do some tourist stuff first. So I think we'll just take that schedule.
Rushmore KOA Resort.
Is it taking you to Mount Rushmore?
Mm-hmm. And it looks like this goes
About 10 miles per hour. So.
Doing what we're not supposed to. We're sneaking through because they own the whole block and we just need to get to Mount Rushmore.
I mean, this place is really
It actually is pretty nice. Wine and espresso.
I mean, geez Louise, you've got
There's a
everything you
fudge
can
room, there's a lot.
Horse rides?
Horses, trail rides. How did we not get stopped?
I don't think you would have got stopped on the way in either.
Okay, we officially snuck through the KOA and we didn't get in trouble. But we wouldn't do that normally, I swear. Well, yeah.
The shops are all good. I guess it's the back camping you gotta pay for. Oh wow, that rock looks so smooth.
You like that rock?
We saw that rock once.
Months ago.
After knocking out Mount Rushmore, we stopped to quickly air up the tires from the trail we were on this morning, before we head over to the Crazy Horse Monument. Even though the carving is still under construction, it is extremely worth visiting in my opinion. The area offers a lot, including tours, museums, native demonstrations, and restaurants. I don't think anyone would regret checking this out and seeing the memorial how it looks now and on its way to completion.
I think we have found one of the best camping sites in the Black Hills. We are right off some really rough terrain. We're actually really deep in the forest, maybe even 5 miles of gravel and then another 5 miles of really tough 2-track to get out here. But we are back in this little secluded glade, and just beyond the backside we actually have a running creek, and it is super cold and super clear of that fresh mountain water that's coming through. Otherwise, we are completely surrounded by beautiful trees and we are completely alone out here. Honestly, I don't think camping can get any better than this.
But we've got stuff for it.
It seems like every place that we camp at in the Black Hills, we come across people who disrespect the national forest. Like, just specifically at this place, we found a bunch of shards of glass over there and some glass down there. I'm trying to pick up a little bit of it, but like even over here, like coming into this section of the national forest, there's a giant sign that says campfire is prohibited, except for outside of campgrounds. And I mean, here's a man-made fire ring, and they just half-burned log, blatantly ignoring the rules. And even this second tree up here, fully engraved with everyone's initials. Some guys were trying to cut it down even. It's a little disheartening, and this is why we lose so much of BLM land and so much of these national parks, or national forests, I'm sorry. And people watching my videos are not going to be the ones out here doing this, obviously, but just kind of disappointing, and everyone needs to do better.
Yeah, so the royal cards are whatever the number is.
Yes.
Did you see it?
I didn't see it.
It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. To lay down, and then everyone else has that turn after they go out to be able to do it.
In the back, you can see your ugly face too, and I'm keeping that. Tonight for dinner, we are having chicken pasta pesto
With garlic bread.
with garlic bread, and it's going to be fucking delicious. Let's go.
This down. Nothing.
Yeah.
Get cheesy with it.
Just a little. I'm worried it's gonna ruin it because it is vegan cheese. I don't want to. Don't take that.
I do. I think it's enough. Let's butter baguette
Garlic salt?
It's an everything bagel baguette. Everything
bagel
it's an
baguette?
Everything bagel French baguette.
Stop doing the face thing!
And this is a
trying to
whole
ruin everything.
box of
A whole box of noodles.
noodles, so we might get some left over.
We will.
Bon
We'll do
appetit.
Has he told you about the time that he tried to make macaroni in the microwave?
It was rice.
Like the rice was still in there?
No. You piece of shit.
Angus, no.
After spending 3 beautiful days in South Dakota, I believe we are finally ready to come home. With a 12-hour drive ahead of us, leaving is a little disappointing, but we are taking a bunch of new experiences home with us and looking forward to our next expedition.